Time mastery. Acing the Cambridge English exams. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial skill that can make a significant difference in your Cambridge English exams: time management. Mastering this skill can help you feel more confident and ensure you give your best in every section of the exam. Let's get started. In any exam, but especially in comprehensive ones like the Cambridge English exams, the clock is ticking. Having the right answers is essential, but ensuring you have time to answer every question is equally crucial. Not managing your time can lead to 1. Rushed answers, meaning you may make mistakes even if you know the right answer. 2. Incomplete sections, leaving questions unanswered or sections unfinished. 3. Increased stress, feeling the pressure of running out of time can be daunting, and this can impact your overall performance. Success in time management means you're optimizing both your preparation before the exam and your strategy during the exam. Here's how. 1. Practice with timers. Before the exam, practice answering questions with a timer. This helps you gauge how much time you can spend on each question. 2. Know the exam structure. Familiarize yourself with the exam layout. If you know how many questions there are and how much time you have, you can allocate time more effectively. 3. Prioritize questions. Not all questions require the same amount of time. If a question seems too challenging, move on and return later if time permits. 4. Keep an eye on the clock. Regularly check how much time you have left. Adjust your pace accordingly. 5. Stay calm and collected. If you start feeling stressed, take a deep breath. Panicking can waste valuable time. Remember, it's okay to move on from a tough question and return later. Allocating time at the end for review is a game changer. It allows you to 1. Catch silly mistakes. Sometimes, we might misread a question or make a simple error. Reviewing gives you a chance to correct these. 2. Revisit skipped questions. If you moved past tough questions, this is the time to give them another look. 3. Finalize your answers. Ensure that every answer is complete and that you haven't left anything out. Time management is more than just watching the clock. It's about optimizing your strategy to ensure every second counts. With the right approach and consistent practice, you'll master this skill and be well on your way to success in your Cambridge English exams. Remember, every minute is a new opportunity to showcase your knowledge. All the best, and keep learning.